Alright, this is actually my 29th try at making this video, so let's all hope that I can make words for more than a minute. Here we go. I don't exactly know why I'm making this video right now, but I think it's because it was pitch night last night at workup, and then I listened to Gary Vee all the way home, so I'm just way too excited. I just want to take a second and explain to you what it is we do here at Metal Trade Solutions. And what we do is we bring creativity into manufacturing because we believe that's what it takes for us to help you succeed. We pair our ingenuity, our manufacturing knowledge, with the equipment and software at our disposal to design, machine, and fabricate metal components. Whether that means surface grinding, or CNC milling, forming, welding, or CNC plasma cutting. They're all just tools that we use to turn raw stock into finished products and goods. The end. And we just, make stuff. Thanks, bye. To help you or something. I don't know. Like do that or something. I don't know. Do something with something for the reasons. Stuff with things and we make stuff. Frickin' crap, words are hard. Oh my. And you should buy all the stuff from me. Thanks, bye. Or something like that. We make stuff.